The world around you is only beautiful when you are at peace, when the world within you. Learning to ignore things is one of the greatest paths to inner peace. Good morning. What is coming is better than what is gone. Look forward, not back. The most important thing is to enjoy your life, to be happy. It's all that matters. Good morning. Wishing you a day filled with kind people, lots of smiles and unexpected blessings. Be happy not because everything is good, but because you can see the good side of everything. Good morning. Look in the mirror, that's your competition. There are two ways to be happy: change the situation or change the mindset towards it. Good morning. Some days you just have to create your own sunshine. Good morning. Be an example. Show kindness to unkind people. Forgive people who don't deserve it. Love unconditionally. Your actions always reflect who you are. Respect your time. It's always trying to give you the best. Use it well. Good morning. Don't wait for things to get better. Life will always be complicated. Learn to be happy right now. Otherwise, you will run out of time. Good morning. Define your future before the future defines you. Good morning. People will forget what you said. People will forget what you did. But people will never forget how you made them feel. Good morning. Mistakes happen by situation, not by intention. Always try to know the reason behind every mistake of your loved ones. That's the way to value our relation. Enjoy every moment of your life. Today's beautiful moments are tomorrow's beautiful memories. Good morning. The whole secret of a successful life is to find out what is one's destiny to do and then to do it. Good morning. Have a nice day. Small daily happenings make life spectacular. Start enjoying the small things in life. Good morning. Anything is possible if you have the right people to support you. Don't plan too much. Life has its own plans for you. Always remember, some of the most beautiful moments of your life are actually unplanned. Good morning. If you liked this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Take care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.